It's cracking. Okay, so I'm going to show you something. This is another reason why you want to always have your heating and air conditioning system serviced. I'm going to show you. This is in the attic. So you see all that? Oops. So you see all that dark stuff? See all that dark? Brown, yucky stuff? That's dirt. That dirt that comes in, high winds. Look at this. Look at all this dirt. Look at all that dirt. Yeah. So this kind of stuff also gets downstairs. It gets everywhere. So that's why you want to have it serviced. That's it. Any questions? Let me know.